So my name is Satyam and this is day 3 of my interview prep journey, and in this video we will talk about or we will solve the problem around linked list. And the problem is basically we need to get the node value to to a specific index, right? For example, this function will receive the head of a linked list and an index, right? For example, uh, we have this linked list, right? Right, and basically let's say uh, we are given these two arguments. Head will be a and index 1, right? So uh, so what will be the node for index equal to 1, right? So we can count 0 1 2, so b will be our node, right? So this we need to return, right? And we don't need to return the node, we need to return the value. So with that, so every time you try to solve linked list problem, right, you solve it with there is some common uh, things that you always do, right? So first you manage the current node, right? So let's say, right, we have head. You use the while loop because linked list is not array and or object, so you won't be able to use the for loop, right? So you need to use while loop, and we can write the base case, like because eventually we need to check, or we need to check every elements in the linked list. So for example, we are currently in the head, right? So we need to reach to it, to its leaf, right? Leaf, which means it does not have the children, right? So with this understanding, okay, so let's say if current is not equal to null, which means we need to continue our loop, right? So yeah, and we can assign in every iteration its children, right? So the children is stored in the next field, of, right? So this we have done. Now we just need to add the check, right? If um, index, no, so basically uh, we need to manage also the index, right? So there is no uh, how can I say like this, okay? So basically in while loop we won't be able to get the index, right? So we need to manage ourselves. So let's say current index 0, right? And on each iteration we are incrementing by 1, right? And now we do have the index, right? So let's say if current index equal to index, right, that means we need to return the value, okay? Yeah, so this is fine solution, but this is one edge case that we need to think. So what is this edge case? For example, we have a linked list. Let's say here we have like this of length of 3, right? Now we need to, and the index is 4, right? So this code will never be run because the maximum index it can have is 3, right, or 2, right? So let's say uh, we does not found our current value, right? So that which means it's here says if there is no node at the given index, we need to return null. So we can just return null, right? Test it. Oh, yeah, because we are reassigning, so we need to use the let. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. So we solve this problem, and yeah, bye. See you.